Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Cyber Crypto. I am here with a new video which is about the review on the Flange token. Today I will talk more about tokenomics, BUSD rewards. Okay, as you can see, this is our website Flange. If you go to tokenomics here, we are going to talk more about this today. So tokenomics reducing sales tax. So the biggest problem for new tokens are while fluctuations and a lack of stability. What if the token knew one could elevate these and still offer the potential for maximum rewards? We believe that we can achieve this by using Flange tokens, a unique reducing sales tax structure, and token rewards program. It incentivizes investors to hold longer by rewarding them with lower fee and greater dividends. Dividends are paid as Binance punched BUSD. Flange tokens mechanism functions by leveraging a higher sales tax at starts of the project that diminishes over time, allowing investors to choose their own ideal time to sell. On top of this, a percentage of the purchase tax and sales tax for all transactions will be distributed among all the current holders. Selling will commence from day 0 at a 50% sale tax rate, reducing 2% every 24 hours until on the day 25th, finally reaching to 0. Next is the sale tax will reduce every day at 10:30 p.m. UTC. Bitex Flange has a static 8% purchase tax for each trade that will be spelled to help support the project. 40% will be added to the liquidity pool, 40% to the marketing and buyback wallet, and 20% will be distributed among all the investors currently holding the Flange tokens. Talking about the sale tax, before the sales tax reduces to 0%, it will be divided into following the denomination to further support the project. 40% added to the liquidity pool, 30% to the marketing and buyback wallet, 20% to be distributed to investors, and 10% to the charity. Buyback buyback functionality has been built into our contract, which allows the purchasers of Flange tokens to remove them from the circulating supply. This is 10 blusters growth and adds green candles to the price chart. Finally, we will talk about the rewards. Flange is the next evolution of rewards token by combining a reducing tax mechanism with dividend payments. Just by holding Flange tokens, you will automatically earn buy and splash to BUSD for every buy and sell transactions made by other investors. You will receive the rewards periodically into your wallet, or you can claim your rewards manually using RT app available on the Flange website. Why should you invest? Think about it. Why would anybody invest? You just get the profit to get the most benefit out of it. The same here. Flange is a token rewarding those who know when to flinch, bringing bigger rewards to the brave, hold, and courageous. Flange token unique reducing sales tax mechanism as an element of job hoarding, making it more than your average token. Who will first and who will follow? When it is time to sell and when it's time to hold. As there is no definite answer, this will drive speculations among the community. Will you plot against your work with the community or follow investors so you don't have to worry about anything? I will provide you with all the links in the description. You can check as per you need. When you buy the Flange, as far as it will be available in your wallet, you will keep on receiving the reflections and you can earn. And you can sell it in the market anytime from PancakeSwap. but I would recommend you not to sell it initially, as when it goes live on the different exchanges, its rate will increase and you will be getting benefit from it. So that's it in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.